it do, Mi Amore Gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? So how y'all gonna see me? So for today's video, I will be giving you my no makeup look. And if that is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm starting off with a fresh face, fresh, clean face. It's already prepped, moisturized, and that's how I like to start my makeup routine off. I also will be using this Real Techniques angle brush, and it also has a spoolie at the other end, and I'm using the spoolie part for this portion of the video. Now I'm just brushing my eyebrows up in the direction I want them to lay, so when I apply this next product, it will be already set in place. So now I'm just adding this e.l.f. brow lift. It just holds my brows. My brows don't go nowhere. This is just my choice. I like to use this. You don't have to use this. I just like to use this so I can get that laminated look. It just really holds my brows into place, and I like it. You can play around with it to get it to lay exactly how you want it to. Also, when adding this product, I like to take the spoolie and brush it back and forth so all my hairs can be coated. Now, as far as my primer, I have really been ODing on the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. I really love this primer. I love how tacky it gets. Also, notice when I wear this, I tend to get a little oily. So I'm going to also use this mattifying primer to see if I can tell any difference. And as towards the end of the day, I noticed I didn't get as oily as I normally do. That I will be using is the LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is a OG, the first type of concealer I have ever used on my face when I first started doing my makeup, and this is in the shade Fawn, and I'm just putting this like up under my eyes and on my dark spots, and I'm just gonna blend that in real good. To really pull off this no makeup look, you always want to choose a concealer that matches your skin tone, because you want it to look like your skin and you don't want to have nothing too light or too dark. That's only if you're just using concealer for your choice of makeup you want to use for your no makeup look. I know some people use foundation or like a tinted moisturizer, but I would just try to stick to something that matches close to my skin tone. And those are only the areas that I'm applying the concealer. I'm not applying it all over my face. My goal is really not to achieve much coverage. I just want just a little bit to make everything look even. face powder to cover the spots that I didn't cover with that concealer to bring everything all together. Now I'm just going to add me a little bit of mascara, and y'all, I'm so ashamed. This mascara is so dried out. I'm going to have to get me another one because it was not giving. It was not coating these lashes of mine, but I try to make it work. As you can see, it barely looks like I have makeup on. That was the goal. I also just want to mention, you can dress this look up or dress it down. For me, I dressed it down, so this didn't take nothing but a good 10-15 minutes, if that. You can also add lashes. You can do a pop of color on the lip. You can add blush. You can dress this up, but I kept mine very simple because the goal is for it to not look like I got makeup on. So I try to keep it natural as possible. This is one of many ways that I like to do my no makeup look. I have did this look before and I use different products, but this is like my current no makeup look, and yeah. Well, that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.